Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about crochet and knitting neck cowl. In this my video they look very glamorous and beautiful and make very comfortable in summer season. Crochet and knitting neck cowl are very beautiful and has the beauty of our personality. You can match it with your dress and wear in winter season as a casual day and in parties and functions and in working day depending on your choice. You can also make it in your own home by your mind by using crochet and knitting technique, and also buy it from market. Many styles and many varieties of crochet and knitting neck cowl are easily available in market. Please see my video at the end, because in this my video I will show you the classic and unique collection of crochet and knitting neck cowl, and you can make in different color by using different yarn, crochet and knitting yarn, and you can make in one color. You can make in neckline designs, flare designs, strip designs, and also our turtle neckline designs, and going in collar designs. As you know, crochet and knitting neck cowl, a round loose collar that folds over and itself at the neck of a piece of clothing or piece of clothing itself. Halter crochet and knitting tops make a strong statement, while drap cowl neck are also popular. As you know, crochet and knitting neck cowl is a neckline that resembling a floppy and structured turtleneck and wraps below the collarbone. In the present study, the methods of crochet and knitting cowl collar used as form simple center from deep cowl neckline with vested novelty cowl necklines, cowl yoke, simulated cowl yoke, novelty simulate, and many other different styles depending on your choice. You can make in zipper, pullover, button, and in different designing depending on your choice. And if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. And you can also use different styles of buttons, different styles of techniques, and different styles of pearls to making your neck cowl beautiful. And if you want to make these crochet and knitting neck cowl in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care. May God bless you. I pray Allah for your health and wealth. Members mean your prayers. Thanks for supporting us, and don't forget to see my videos on my YouTube channel regularly. Take care, and okay viewers, I hope you like all these, and goodbye.